Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if the Shazam music recognition not working. So as you can see here, no result, we are unable to find anything. So guys, if you are getting this error on your iPhone and iPad on iOS 14 or 15, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So first of all guys, open your iPhone setting, then scroll down and simply click on Shazam app. Then guys, make sure that microphone is turned on. So after that guys, go back to your setting again, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, then scroll down and find the Shazam app, click on it, click on offload app. Now simply guys, just click on reinstall app and go back to your home screen and just wait for a few seconds until your app is installed again. So as you can see, app is installing. Now guys, the app is installed. Now let me try again. Let's see if it's work or not. So I'm going to play music. So yes guys, as you can see, it's working. Let's find the music. So this is how you can fix this guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys, and if you have any problem, let me know in the comment.